Hello winners and welcome to this daily live setup with Eivind Bydall, 11th of January 2021 for mentorship students on Eivind FX. First of all, we tried to say, okay, here we have a double top at the target, new lower low, new lower high, sell. That was your sell. Stop loss above here, you hit stop loss. Cool, whatever. Then we tried again. We have a double top, we have a lower low, we have a lower high, you have a sell here, you have a sell here, and you have probably a sell here. So what are you expecting for tomorrow? For tomorrow, you're expecting that price can come up to 73, 77.30 or up to 77.40. So I would put an order down here and then see if it gets hit during the night. Stop loss above previous high around 50. Pretty good, pretty amazing. We are turning lower, we are turning around, and I would take profit down in this area at around 76.10 or 17 actually, before going higher and then going lower. So I think this is just the first step to turning around. So if we do turn around, so I would take, if I have two orders, I will take profit on one of them here and let the other one be break even and see if I can ride this one downwards, because hitting targets on a Tuesday is very early, so, or even Monday. So have that in mind. If it hits there, it can potentially then do a counter trend. For EURUSD, on the other hand, we have, I was telling, I forgot to tell, but in an uptrend at around New York Open, we are seeing highs on euro. Just have that in mind. So we have the double top here, we have the lower low, we have the pullback here, we have that move there, that is break even. You try again here, 50 pips stop loss. That is what you should have been lost only, if you lost anything at all. Then we try again, double top, lower low, lower high, sell. That is in NFP. Correct sell price starting the week before it even happens, goes down to take profit. Profit target is down at 21.28. I think we might go into this area. Then if you have two orders up in here, I would take one, the highest to break even, the other one to take profit, and then see if we then go up there or we just continue lower. I don't know which one is going to happen, but that's what you kind of have to work out. So how do we play this out? You tried here, cool, worked out something. You tried here, didn't work out. You tried here, you tried, could have tried here, I guess. Could have tried here, could have tried here, could have tried here. That is very late, by the way. Then I'm expecting either a pullback to 22 or a pullback to 22.5 before falling. Maybe the where you're supposed to be most active is Monday, what is that, 18th. I think that can post a downward move if we're actually going to longer term falling. So this is the first fall. Let's see how that goes, and then if we start turning back up, don't need to be worried. Hope you have also learned, taking notes. What happened? How did you feel? How did you act? Did you not act at all? The most important part is to learn so that you can become more confident. I know that people have been not being confident is because they haven't seen my trades before. They haven't really seen what I teach, what I do. This is a fantastic opportunity to see, okay, there is a plan A and there is a plan B. Someday work something, and now is the time we're getting paid. We don't know that ahead. For pound dollar, already taking profit for the week, already coming back up to this resistance. I think that's a great resistance coming down. Where are we going? Not sure. But for the dailies, we can go down to 34. Oh, I forgot on euro, 50 pips stop loss, and then that was the first one. That's the second one. So I think if we just hit target, I think we're just going to crush through this one. So if we get to target, as I would add more right now. If it falls, doesn't matter to me. Pound, yeah, 34.20, and then 50 pips stop loss somewhere up here. Yeah, around the current price actually. That would be great to sell from. Or a bit higher, back up to 35.45 if you get that. I do apologize if I was silent today. It didn't hear much from me. It's been crazy that it didn't turn out well. I guess that it didn't. Like, I haven't been looking charts until now, so I do apologize. We have currently on gold a triple bottom. I don't think this is a triple bottom. I actually just think it's just like it's just holding until it will fall again. So I don't know where we're going, but maybe down to 1800. It's just a question mark. We haven't turned bullish yet, so currently the 1850 area is the resistance. Do we go higher? Will we buy it then? Maybe, potentially. So how does this look like? Does this look like back in March? Where we fell. That's some kind of resistance. Fell. That's some kind of resistance. And then we kind of died out until it just went for it. My question is now, or my point here is now, are we going to do that all over again? We might then try to catch the pullback. It might be stopped out here, and we will try again when that happens. So I think we're just going to wait for the breakout higher and see if we can get on the trade. So far, we are definitely just muted. Silver, same thing. Pound yen, pretty strong. Oops, it is pretty strong pullback, I would say. Not really turned bearish, but maybe now. So today it did well. Came down to the buy zone, came back up. That's clear sell price. Back down to 39.35. 139, 135, that price there. Great. Then we're expecting maybe price to go higher. So that's why we do take profit here, just to be sure, because we have been done that before. New Zealand. I want this to come back up here and then falling clearly. I then would like you to say, okay, if price ever comes up to 72.40, that would be an amazing sell opportunity, probably Monday next week, or if we get it tomorrow. Those two options would be great, down to 71 area, and then see how this plays out. Australian dollar, New Zealand dollar are the first one movers. Euro is actually the weakest one at the moment, and also is a bit strong. Pound is meh. So pound might not be the first one I would trade. I would trade Aussie, New Zealand, Euro before pound. Just have that in mind. Target stop loss 50 pips. Maybe I'm going too fast for you, sorry. But so if I do sell here, I take stop loss up here. If I do sell, I wouldn't sell here, I would sell maybe here. I would have stop loss above here. If I do not sell here, I would price to come back up again. Either back up to this price of 72 and then back down to 71. So if price comes back up, I would be amazing. But if not, cool. So, oops. Yeah, fair enough. But remember, that is a great place to start selling again at 72 to 2030. USD CAD. All right, so first of all, you were not bullish this state. That's when you were bullish, okay? It's technical analysis bullish? No. Okay, so you wait for the bullishness, okay? what do you first want? You want price to come higher, cool. You want price to come lower, cool. And is this a really good reversal? Not at all. Get a double bottom, cool. Then you just need a higher high, okay. When are you getting that then? You kind of didn't get it until today. Pull back, buy, pull back, buy. The question is, are we already taking profit for the week? Yes. Sorry, mate, that means we're going back down to 27. So that is actually dead. Gone too fast. Gone too soon. Can you then start playing a more can you start playing around those prices of here at 127.36? Probably. At 127? Yeah, probably. So the rules is, if this hits on a Monday or Tuesday, we're going to go up there and then back to this central here. And then what's going to happen next? Sometimes that just goes sideways. Doesn't even matter. Doesn't bother. All right. So yeah, gone too soon. Great. Profits. I love having profits. US oil, that was the top, that was the sell price, that is the sell price for the week, for the month, whatever. So take part for the week, take part for the month. So yeah, there's nothing else to do here. It does come down, but does that really intrigue you to start buying or selling? I don't know if it breaks higher, doesn't matter to me, doesn't matter to you, shouldn't matter at least, because right now you're too early. And I think if we now get a low below 51.40, I think you will see price going lower. I will ditch all the yens, as that's just basically the same as the dollar pairs, most of it, depending. Economic calendar for tomorrow, the risk events for tomorrow is speeches by the Fed, and some pound. Do keep an eye on what they say, if there's anything out in the news, and nothing to worry about. Pelosi said that by Monday evening they will impeach Trump if Mike Pence doesn't do it. So we're now doing live shows from America to America about this thing. So might not have Trump as president tomorrow, or they'll start the impeachment process. I don't know what's going to happen, but it's a great time to be alive, I guess. So until next time, until tomorrow, if there's other questions, we are generally going to look for this kind of a setup. So we are currently here in Euro. Let's see how it goes. Okay, boom.